When Mum buys your little sibling a new outfit, but doesn't get you one.
Pero che, córtela, déjalo en paz.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro. Move.
Oh my god.
Oh god!
Oh no. Me and my brother, every time we hear the neighbours arguing.
And this is life.
Well, he's just showing the pup who's boss, that's all.
Oh, Lisa.
No, 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 no.
No trees? How are monkeys supposed to swing? Well, they just got to adapt.
Bir dur ben de yiyeyim de dur. Det bliver fantastisk. Ja.
不喂了，走吧，走。快给他吃了。
哎呦我操！
不容易，不容易。Oh Christ! I think instead of a puppy, I want a pet goat. It likes me like a second ago.
No, 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 no.
This couple really knows how to make all the singles jealous.
Here, baby.
Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
God.
Oh my god. Callie, get it out. Ew, it's slobbering.
No, no, no,
Bye, cow.
Say moo. Are you okay, Bubba?
The eldest cat clearly gave up reasoning with her younger siblings.
Guess what day it is?
When your owner is in charge of the lighting at the playground, this performance definitely deserves an award for creativity. Don't miss the next hilarious video about these amazing buddies.
Thank you. Lester, can I get a paw? Thank you. Can I get
Dogs are obedient until you push their limits.
Can I get a paw?
Want the job done fast? Give it to the right person. This mischievous little mermaid has finally found her prince.
Gross. Huh? That was gross.
Having a daughter means realizing there will always be someone blocking your love life, right in your own home. Alright, this level of skill just exposed that this isn't his first time sneaking over the fence.